This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the prop and support the bonnet. The oil level dipstick is located at the front of the engine and the filler cap on the top. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean and fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. If the level is below or near the minimum mark, topping up is necessary. Rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Using a funnel to minimise spillage, add a little of the correct grade of oil as necessary to bring the level up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. Do not overfill. The coolant expansion tank filler cap is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. The maximum and minimum levels are indicated on the side of the tank. If topping up is necessary, rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the tank, bringing the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The fluid level must be kept between the maximum and minimum levels at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the top of the reservoir, then rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise to remove it. Add DOT4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. The screen wash filler cap is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Open the filler cap and add a mixture of water and screen wash additive. Close the filler cap. Clip the prop back into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.